Alright, so on the engine bay here, got pretty far. Put some body filler on there. That one's not sanded down yet. This one's sanded smooth, but I just need to put some glazing putty on it because you can see little pinholes there. Right now, I'm going to take the self-etching primer and I'm going to prime everything because it's been left out for a couple weeks and it's starting to rust and I don't want that to happen. So yeah, I'm going to start there right now. Alright, so as you guys see in the video, I used, where'd it go? The self-etching primer to cover all the bare metal. I sprayed over top of the Bondo that I still have to sand too, just because I don't want it to turn into rust. You can see a spot right there where it needs glazing putty right there. This came out pretty good. Not too bad. Like I said before, I still have to sand this side, so I'm going to go ahead and do that now. Alright, so while that's all drying and getting set, I'm going to go ahead and sand down this big blob of Bondo. Alright, so we're about 20 minutes later. I used that 80 grit and I sanded all this down. It's pretty smooth. You can see spot right there and right there that needs to be spot putty, but I don't have any, so I'm just going to go ahead and use a self-etching primer on it just for tonight, just so it doesn't rust, and then tomorrow I'll come back and put the spot putty on it. Alright, that's another coat on all of them. That's 3 coats. This is 2 coats. And that has 1 coat. It all came out really, really well, as you can see. So it got dark really fast, obviously. So I will catch you guys tomorrow. Thanks for watching.